I'm Robert Jeffrey. My business is Brampton Woodworks Limited. We're located in Brampton, Cumbria. We specialise in building footbridges and producing public footpath signs for local authorities. We have recently acquired an LX450. We use it to machine all the timber for the signposts, and we build timber footbridges and we use it to machine all the timber for those. We like the idea of the twin rail. We like the idea of the stability of the head. It gives us more accuracy on the timber than we used to get, and we just thought that the production on the machine would be better. We found that the LX450 offered us a larger capacity. We can put on larger saw logs. We mainly cut larch and Douglas, a little bit of oak, but our 90% of all the timber we cut is larch. We sharpen our own blades, we set our own blades, we do less sharpening and less setting with the LX450. I think it's because it's just the larger diameter blades. After the wood leaves the sawmill, the first thing we do is obviously cut it down to length, then it's planed, edges round, mortised, the blades are fitted into the mortises, it's pressure treated, and then that's the end product. In Cumbria we have an extensive footpath network. The local authorities are very keen to signpost all these routes, so we've worked on various schemes like Hadrian's Wall footpath. Hadrian's Wall is the wall that was built by the Romans to separate the Scots from the English. It's a very simplistic view, but that's what it is.